What is a set? A set is a collection of well-defined and distinct objects. By the term well-defined objects, it means that the properties of the objects are known so that one can decide whether an object belongs to a particular set or not. By the term distinct objects, it means that all of the objects in a set are different from each other. That is, no element is repeated in a set, or you can say that one element is written only one time in a set. Now if I say to make a set of first 5 even numbers, then I can list these elements as now all of these elements are distinct and all of these elements are well defined as 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, each one is divisible by 2. So the elements of this set are well defined because these elements satisfy the property of this set. Now if I ask you to list 4 good heart surgeons in the town, then you might write those names which you think are the best in the town. But this property of good heart surgeons is not well defined because it might be possible that someone find these specific doctors as the worst doctors in the town because of their worst experience. So we cannot make a set. Now let's make a set of any 3 fruits we know. I list it as now this is a set because all of these elements are distinct and these elements are well defined because these elements satisfy the property of this set which says to list any 3 fruits you know. So this is a set. But if I change the property of the set which says to list any 3 tasty fruits, the elements are distinct but in this case the elements are not well defined because someone may find these fruits as tasty but the other person might not like these fruits. Since this term is relative, therefore we cannot make a set. Now if there are 40 students in a school, the number of students with height 4 feet are 21, the number of students with height 5 feet are 9 and the number of students with height 5.4 feet are 10. Now if I ask you to make a set of students with height 5 feet, then you can make a set and the number of students will be 9 because we will choose only those students whose height is 5. So the property is well defined and all of these students are different. There are 8 letters in the word Pakistan, but when we list these letters in a set, then we will write one letter only one time. Like A is repeating itself in the word Pakistan, but we will write A only once. All elements are distinct and all are well defined because all of these letters belongs to the word Pakistan. Hope you understand what is a set, what is the definition of set, and how to decide whether an object belongs to a set or not. Please like and share my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and set the bell icon to all. Thank you so much for watching my video.